So this is my life right now. My downstairs neighbor is deciding to have literally some kind of dance club right now. I don't understand what's going on. So I've already made 2 calls to the apartment complex, so that's fun. Anyway, hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Mel. And if you aren't new here, then welcome back to my little YouTube channel. This is what today's look is going to look like. This is inspired off of my Disneyland ears that I got a couple years ago. A little bit simple because the ears have a lot going on. They have all the feathers up here and the little flower. So there definitely has a lot going on, so I wanted to kind of not do a very, crazy look. As per usual, at the end of the video, I will be showcasing the next set of ears and unfortunately the final set for Mickey Ear Month. So if you like how this look turned out, please make sure that you continue watching. Please don't forget to follow me on all my other social media. All links will be down below. As usual, I will link everything that I use down in the description below at some point because I'm trying to get better at that. I do really want to thank you guys all so much for watching, and before we get into the video, make sure that you head on down below and hit that big red subscribe button, and also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know to continue making content just like this one. Without further ado, and while I have a moment of silence, let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, I got my Thayers Witch Hazel that I'm going to be putting on my face. If I haven't used this enough in the video for you to go out and get some, then clearly you need to recheck yourself. But I am just taking this with a flat cotton pad and rubbing this all over my face. Then I'm taking this is technically 2 face shadow insurance in here, and I am putting this on with my finger. I just had a bunch and I put them in the little jar to make it easier. Next, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Fluid, and I'm going to be putting this on my angled shader brush. I'm going in with my 120 eyeshadow palette, first edition from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going in with this shimmery red color, and I'm going to start just lining my eyes. This is how simple this look is. I'm just going to line my eyes with it on the top. Now, one thing I did notice, and I didn't mention in the video, is that the red does transfer to the top lid. To avoid that, what I did when I tested this look again, what I did was that I took just some regular old beige eyeshadow and then I just covered my whole lid with it, and that helped the transfer a bit better. It still does transfer a little bit, so I would recommend maybe taking some of the Fix Fluid and setting your eyes with it. But as before, you saw I put some shimmery yellow underneath my lower lash line. And now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs black eyeliner and I am tight lining my eyes. And now I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Plumpify mascara, and I'm going to be just coating my top and bottom lashes with this mascara. And once I coated it, I'm going to start on the rest of my face. I'm going to be using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Concealer. I'm going to be mixing it with my Drunk Elephant Be Hydra Intensive Hydrating Gel. I'm just going to be dotting the concealer all over my face, and then I'm going to be putting some of the hydrating gel all over my face as well, and then I'm going to be using my dense kabuki brush to blend that into my face, making sure to get all those nooks and crannies, because this is replacing me priming my face first, so it's kind of mixing it together. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with my MAC Skinfinish Natural in medium with a small little fluffy brush. I'm just going to be setting everything. Next, I am going to be going back into the BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm going to be using that tiny color down there. It is a pretty brown color. I'm going to be using this to contour my face. I'm trying to get more creative with using things in an entire palette because I tend to use 20 million palettes. And I'm going to be using blush in this palette too. I'm going to be using this pretty little pink right here. And I'm going to be putting this on my cheeks, give myself a little bit of color. Then once I finish doing that, I'm going to be going in with some highlighter. I'm going to be using my MAC highlighter here,
And that highlighter is called Lightscape. It is a mineralized skin finish as well. And I'm just going to be using a kind of a small, dense brush to go ahead and put that on the high points of my cheeks. Next, I'm going to be hydrating my lips with my Khiels Mint Lip Balm. Just going on the lips here. And then I am going to be going in with my Lancome Rouge in Love with this pretty red color. That color is called, I don't know what it's called. I think it's just called Rouge in Love. It's number 181. And then I'm just going to be putting that on my lips. And that is the completed look. Now, like I said, in some of these shots you can see that the transfer from the eyeliner to my top lid is starting. Again, that can be easily fixed with just, you know, some matte skin colored eyeshadow to stop that transfer from happening. And that's it with the ears. It's really fancy. And that is the completed look, guys. I hope that you all enjoyed.
As we all can tell, I'm just a slight tad annoyed because, I mean, I know it's, you know, in the afternoon, it's sunny out, it's in the middle of the day. However, I don't know why my cats are cowering under my bed right now and freaking out, and why my things are all vibrating on my walls. So if you all enjoyed this look that you see right now, please don't hesitate to head on down below and hit that subscribe button, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up so that I know to continue making content just like this one. Hope that you all enjoyed watching this video. As usual, I will be going ahead and showcasing my next set of Mickey ears I'm going to be doing a look off of. These are actually a new set that I just got, and I am so incredibly excited to be doing a look based off of them. They are my new wedding ears. These are the new set of wedding ears. I actually haven't even taken the tag off of them yet. Oh, pretty. So these are the new headband, a set of mini ears for the wedding veil. So it has a really pretty wedding veil on the back. And even though I'm already married, I can still pretend that I'm a bride-to-be. And so stay tuned for that. That's going to be in the next Mickey ear video. A huge announcement for my next theming for March. This theme is going to be Rainbow Bright Color Kid Month. Yay! Every day that I post in March, I'm going to be basing an entire look off of all of the color kids from the Rainbow Bright series back in the 80s. You can kind of stay tuned, so make sure you follow me on my social media. Links will be all down below. Down and hitting that big red subscribe button so that you won't miss another video just like this one. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so that I know to continue making content just like this one. In the comments, if you want me to do a giveaway, do hashtag Mickey Ear Giveaway, and then say what kind of ears you would want me to do a giveaway if I decide to do a giveaway at some point. Because I think my first thing I want to give away is a pair of Mickey ears. So remember, hashtag Mickey Ear Giveaway, and then say what kind of Mickey ears you would want me to do for my giveaway. I really want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye!